Well, hello, my friend. Welcome to Granny B's house. Are you having a good day? Oh, I hope so. Are you remembering to be kind to those people around you? Doing those little acts of kindness, that makes your world a better place, just like it does the people that you're doing the acts of kindness for. Since I have all these kitty cat sound effects in the background from my Ed the cat here at our house, I'm going to read a book called Clifford's Kitten. Clifford's a big red dog, and I'll bet you've read some Clifford stories before because he's been around a long time. This book was written in 1984. So, Norman Bridwell did well when he wrote these books because they've been around forever. And this one is about a kitten. Oh my goodness, look how big that dog is. Let me get out of the way so you can see the whole big Clifford. I'm Emily Elizabeth, and this is my dog Clifford. He is the only pet I ever had. Except one time last year, a kitten came to our house. I think he was lost. Mom said we could keep him until we found his owners. He was so small that Mom said he could sleep in my room. He slept in the same basket Clifford had used for a bed when he was a puppy. I think Clifford was a little jealous. Oh my, that night Clifford slept as close to me as he could get. Mom said the kitten would have to sleep outside next to Clifford until his owners came to get him. He was a playful little kitten. He chased butterflies. Clifford chased butterflies too, and he saw a very big one. Oh, he caught it, but Dad had to pay the little boy for his kite. Kittens love to play with spools. Clifford had never played with a spool, but he found one in the street. Uh-oh. Oh my, Clifford was too strong. We bought fancy cat foods. The kitten just turned up his nose at them. Thank goodness Clifford isn't a picky eater. I took the kitten for a ride in my doll carriage. I never did that for Clifford. Clifford, he wanted a ride too while I was explaining why I couldn't push him. Oh, look what Clifford did. The kitten jumped out of the carriage and started across the street. Crunch! Clifford was right there. The kitten didn't even say thank you. He just started sharpening his claws. Clifford tried to sharpen his claws. Oops. While Clifford was busy putting the light pole back, a big dog came into our yard and growled at the kitten. He didn't notice Clifford. The big dog decided to go back to his own house to play. While I was hugging the kitten, a little boy rode up. He said, "Oh, you found my cat. Thank you. I've been looking all over for him." That sure was a cute kitten. I hated to see him go. Oh well, I still have a pretty good dog. Well, Clifford is a pretty good dog. He's just so big. It must be hard to be that big and not be able to get around in a house or not be able to play with things the way other people do. But it's just pretend. Clifford the dog has been around a long time, and I thought he was being very kind to that kitten. Well, I want you to remember to be very kind to the people around you. And I want you to remember that Granny B loves you. And I want you to come back and see me again sometime. so I can read you another story. Okay? Bye-bye.